What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Don with the Don Franz Show. And it is Tesla Tuesday. In our last video, I talked about Tesla going to 650. Some people were hesitant about that. Well, here we are. It actually went a little bit lower. It went right to that zone. That's where it got bought up. And it was well, after a gap down, I think Tesla did end up... no, it ended up green, but it was... we're just after yesterday's lows, though. That being said, what I went over with the mentorship group tonight, I don't think tech is done, and I think Tesla's in that same boat. What we saw today was a gap down. We sold off, and it got bought right back up. I think a lot of things sold off. They pulled we'd already sold off the day before, and now we have Powell talking. We have Powell talking today. We have him talking tomorrow. I bet a lot of people just pulled their positions off the table. Just, hey, let's not worry about the risk right now. We can always get back in after. So we saw a bunch of things sell off. Now the buy the dip crowd did show up right at these zones, and it snapped up. One thing I told the mentorship group last night was, if we're green today, don't get all googly-eyed and think we're headed to all-time highs. I'm telling you guys right now, I doubt we go to all-time highs. That's across the tech board. Tesla's got a ways to go. And if there's going to be one to surprise you, maybe it is Tesla. We've seen weirder stuff from Tesla. Tesla has defied all rules at some point in its time. What I want to see now, hopefully we're green tomorrow. It's kind of across the board. We're going to bundle Tesla in with it all. A little bit of green tomorrow. We have one more red day, so if we can just get up a little bit higher, and then we pull back and make that higher low, we can kind of switch and talk about the bullish trade again. As of right now, we're still trending down. The green candles you saw after today was a snap back. So if you guys bought the dip, be careful on this one. Manage your stops. Remember, you can only get wrecked if you put yourself in a position to get wrecked, right? So you have your 1% stop loss. I have a video on how to do 1% stop loss the correct way. Now, you can do that, and when it gaps down, it stings, but it shouldn't just devastate your account. So that being said, Tesla had a little bit of green day. My position I took in this, once we did the pushed up, came back down, made the higher low, I bought a 670 call. Ended up spending $3,100. I bought it for this Friday. I wasn't even going to swing Tesla today. I bought it for $3,100, 670. As we pushed up, I sold the 680 for $3,600, making $500 to take a $10 spread. So at bare minimum, I've already made $500. Now, between now and this Friday, I have a $10 spread to sell. If Tesla is above 680 this Friday, it'll just naturally be worth $1,000. If it sells off, it'll be worth nothing, and I only made $500. It's the only reason I'm swinging that. I took a lot off the board today. In my whole trading career, I've hit the go flat button twice other than today. So today we woke up, things were just a little too not worth the risk. So TradeStation has a button, go flat, closes everything all at once. You get the worst fills because it's just sell to the nearest nerd that wants to buy it. Today was probably a little more red. After I locked that in, it was just green the rest of the day. Ultimately, still red from a bad fill. What was it, CCIV? Let's talk about some EVs while we're talking about Tesla. The exact reason I told you guys I'm closing this, I don't care for Tuesday's announcement. Oh, and it's confirmed, and it's down and down some more. Kind of holding right here. And I don't know. I don't know why. I'm not too thrilled. I don't really care about this one. If they make a car, hopefully it sounds cool. As far as investing in this, I would wait till they at least have something. I doubt they're the next Nikola. I'm almost confident they're not going to be. But nothing's to stop them right now. Right? They're not Neo. They actually have car. Like Neo actually has cars. These guys don't. So that being said, if you got smoked on that hype, this is what's called the buy the rumor, sell the news. If you're going to be in some hype tickers, get used to this. One more hype ticker. I'll throw in an extra one for you. IPOF. Now the other day it spiked up. I had my stop loss here at 1730. As it pushed up, it tagged out. I didn't get back in. I kind of wish I did today. But all of this hype. No real reason. This is the purest of supply and demand and just When there's more buyers, it goes up. More sellers, it goes down off of whatever reason. So I'll pull up Tech before I get off here. I know it's just Tesla Tuesday. Tech ultimately held this. The reason this is a gray here because we played the back and forth game back here. So that's why this is kind of like highlighted gray. Ultimately, we held here. So getting below that, it's probably going to be a sharp dip. Right now, Tech still on the trend down. Again, don't get crazy. Don't because you see a green candle, think we're headed back up. I'm telling you guys right now, and obviously not for certain because I'm not a financial advisor. This is just art class. We're not just going to scream to all-time highs. We're going to have a decent red day in between. So make sure your position size and your allocation reflects that. As usual, hit the subscribe button if you're new. I go live on Sundays and Wednesdays. So tomorrow we'll go live, kind of do our midweek market breakdown and kind of see just where this market's going, what's selling off, what's pushed up, what sectors to be in. And if you guys want these charts, click the join button next to subscribe. At that point, I'll share the link every month, and you can jump in, type in whatever ticker you want on TradingView.com. And if I have a yellow zone drawn out there, you'll see it too. So I'll see you guys tomorrow after hours. See you there.